In this segment of this video, we are going to talk why do we need OneDrive. So how many times you face this problem that you are working at home on your laptop, you are working in office on desktop, you are working on remote site on your mobile. And whenever you are receiving file, you are storing in your mobile, you are storing in your desktop, and you are storing on your desktop. So whenever it is required, you started searching that where did you store that particular file, and it's taking you 1 hour to 2 hours just to find that required file. And this is not only your problem. This problem everyone faces. I was also facing many times. Then I started using OneDrive. Even though I go to client side, I use my mobile. Whenever I'm receiving file, I store in OneDrive. Even though I'm working from home and I'm receiving file, I store in OneDrive. Whenever I'm working in office and I'm receiving file, I store in OneDrive. So I don't need to check that where did I store that file. I just go in OneDrive and check for that client folder and get that particular file. It's that much easy. So the best part is it backups your file on daily basis. Like whether you are working in mobile or whether you are working on desktop, it will back up your file on daily basis. So even though your desktop will crash, your mobile will lost, you will not lost your information. Also accessibility, you can use in Windows, web and mobile. So no matter where you are, what are you doing, which platform you are using, you can access your files. And security, you can restrict the person, restrict group, you can restrict department. And also it is also secure from hackers because it is one of the best secure platform of Microsoft Azure. So that's why if you are running a business or you are managing your own personal files, the OneDrive is the best tool. You can manage your own file, you can manage your official file, you can manage your family files and access from anywhere.